Welcome, Lenovo Legion, and the configuration is by far. Look at the RAM is 16 gig and storage is solid state is 512 gig and hard disk 1 terabyte, and it comes with Intel i7 and 9th generation, and this is important as a 2.6 gigahertz, and display is 15.5. Price, this one is around I bought it in a Thanksgiving break time. It's around 1150. That's it, not more than that. And this one is gaming software, best for gaming version. That's the whole fundamental of this. And then the graphic card is the most highest one, NVIDIA RTX 2060. It's by far, right, for this price. This is the good graphics card, and let me open it and show you what's inside and how it's the feel of it. Right, this one has never been opened, so it's going to be an unbox video. I know. So let's place it in the What is this? Oh man, already I'm feeling like a turbo. Wow, heavy.
Here it comes.
Nice. It's much different laptop than whatever I have used so far in my entire life. This is way different. I don't want to too much go into the model and all. Here we got wow, battery case, man. This is like
Huge.
Not a heavy. It's like a 1 kilo or something like that. Probably around
2 pounds.
And probably 2 pounds, close to. Some manual thing. And then the wire adapter. Oh, this will go here. Oh man, it's heavy. Looks like it have a good length. Okay, what we have, wow. So everything, so nothing on the side, only the USB plug-in. And look at in the back side of it, a C port, and what is this one? HDMI, mini HDMI, and big HDMI, and Ethernet, and this one probably the power. And this one is for lock. Wow, nice. And here we have another earphone, the 3.5mm jack, and then fast charging or fast downloading processing USB port. Let's open it. I feel it's around 5 pounds or something. Ooh. Full black. Can I turn on? The weird thing is, the webcam, it comes in the bottom, which is the worst thing you will feel. Alright, let's see whether there is a battery or something. Now we turn down, and then we plugged into the power. And let's see, the power is already charging now. And let's see. Are you ready? Ooh. Nice color, right? the keypad. Okay. So Harman audio by Harman. It's very famous in Hyundai and Genesis car. If you see. Sorry, let's see how many minutes it's gonna take. Oh wow. But this is a little faster, I believe.
Hi there, I'm Platana, and I'm here to help.
Okay.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Okay, this is just an unboxing. This is how the Legion looks. Let's see, this needs a lot of setup. So hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting stuff. Thank you.